Why is divorce better than annulment? What are the pros or advantages of legalizing divorce in the Philippines? And what are the following steps in getting a judicial recognition of divorce in the Philippines? Magandang araw po mga kapatid, mga kabagis, mga subscribers ng YouTube. I am YouTube vlogger Charlie Pinto and welcome to our vlog and to my episode, Alamin ang Karapatan Mo, Issues and Commentaries. Sa mga bago pa lamang sa aking channel, pa-subscribe, like, and comment po. Charlie Pinto from Bigan City, Ilocos Sur. Agyaman, salamat po. Before we discuss the continuation of our previous topic about divorce bill or House Bill number 9349, let us define first what is marriage. According to Family Code of the Philippines, Article 1, marriage is a special contract of permanent union between a man and a woman entered into in accordance with the law for the establishment of conjugal and family life. Take note, ladies and gentlemen, between man and a woman, not man or a man, or both woman. Marriage is a Christian perspective, a covenant, not a mere contract, and that it mirrors the love of Christ for His bride, the church or the iglesia. What therefore God hath joined together, let no man put us under.
I promise to always love you over and over again, even on our hardest days. And I promise to protect our peace and happiness. I love you, Peanut!
Napaka-bonggacious ang island wedding, beach wedding ni na Jessie Menjola at Luis Manzano. Also in the Family Code, Article 34, a man and a woman who have lived together as husband and wife for at least 5 years and who do not have any legal impediments to marry can get married without the necessity of marriage license. Meaning, matagal na kayo nagli-live-in ng partner mo at wala naman kayong asawa or wala namang may ka-live-in pa iba sa inyo, pwede na kayong magpakasal sa anumang simbahan or civil wedding na gusto nyo. Panoorin natin ang proponent ng divorce bill na si Congressman Edsel Lagman.
Because it's immaterial whether it's 126 against 109 or a margin of 17 votes as originally announced by the staff of the Secretary General, or the subsequent 131 against 109, or a difference of 22 votes in favor of the bill, is not really material, because it will not change the ultimate result that the bill has been approved on third and final reading. This is irrevocable, and the mandate for the Secretary General is transmitted immediately to the Senate, so that the Senate can now start considering the measure, even during the break.
Let's continue. What are the pros of legalizing divorce in the Philippines? Advocates argue that legalizing divorce could address social issues such as domestic violence, provide an escape from unhappy and unhealthy marriages, and reduce the stigma associated with broken marriages. Opponents of this House Bill 9349 raise concern about the potential impact on the family unit and societal values. Meron tayong interview. Ang almusal ay sigawan at bulyawan, tanghalian ay suntukan, tadyakan. Ang hapunan ay sampalan at sipaan. Pabor ka ba sa divorce law or bill na pinapanukala kayo ng Congress?
Oy, opo.
Bakit naman?
Kasi sa panahon natin ngayon, marami nang nasasaktan na mga babae. Lalo na yung mga asawa nila mismo ang galing ng pananakit po.
Then, what yung magiging kinabukasan ng mga anak kung maghiwalay ang mag-asawa?
Napag-uusapan din naman po yun para sa mga bata. Pero pag sa kanila ng mag-asawa, excuse na sila. Yun lang naman po.
Sa mga bago pa lamang sa aking channel, pa-subscribe, like, and comment po. Charlie Pinto from Bigan City, Ilocos Sur. Agyaman, salamat po. Divorce can cause positive and negative outcomes for both the parents and children involved. Among the pros are greater freedom, room for growth, and an improvement environment for children. However, stress and financial challenges are complicated outcomes for the family. Why is divorce not a good idea? Children whose parents have divorced are increasingly the victims of abuse. They exhibit more health, behavioral, and emotional problems, are involved more frequently in crime and drug addiction, and have higher rates of suicide. Children of divorced parents perform more poorly in reading, spelling, and math in their classes. This is true because children are lack of parental guidance. They need affection and love from their parents. They need care, especially those young children and teenagers. Kailangan nila ng masasandalang magulang. Kailangan nila ng mag-aaruga. Kailangan nila ng mapagsasabihan ng kanilang problema. They need advice. Dahil broken family na nga sila, kaya nakagagawa sila ng labag sa batas. Police record shows that most of children who committed crimes like snatching, theft, drug addiction, or even prostitution are juvenile young teens. Most of them also school dropouts, kaya nagkakawatak-watak ang kanilang pag-aaral. Kinakailangan nila ng pag-aaruga ng magulang. Pabor ka sa divorce? Bakit? Mga mag-asawang artistang Pilipino na naghiwalay na dahil sa iba't ibang mga kadahilanan. Chris Aquino at James Yap, Cesar Montano at Sunshine Cruz. Aiko Melendez at Jomari Iliana. Dieter Ocampo at Christine Hermosa. Carmina Villaruel at Rustom Padilla. Marjorie Barreto at Dennis Padilla. Kung minsan bad example ang ilan sa mga artista naman tungkol sa divorce o legal separation o paghihiwalay ng mag-asawa. Dahil marami sa ating napanood, marami na mga kilalang artista ang naghihiwalay, nagdi-divorce sa ibang bansa. Do people agree or disagree on divorce in the Philippines? Based on SWS survey, around 9% were undecided. The highest support for divorce was in Mindanao at 48%, closely followed by Metro Manila at 46%. Respondents in the Visayas had the lowest support at 33%. Conversely, the Visayas had the strongest opposition against divorce at 59%. Let us listen to the sermon of a priest about divorce. Pabor ka sa divorce? Bakit?
Sa inyo. Ang sabi ng mambabatas, ang bill na ito o ang batas na ito ay para talaga sa mga babae. More on para sa mga babae. Kapatid, dito ay mga Pariseo. Mga Pariseyong lalaki. Ang kultura ng Hudyo makalalaki. Ang mga Pariseyong mga lalaki ang umaabuso sa diborsyo nung panahon ni Kristo. Kung iniisip ni Kristo na maganda ang diborsyo sa mga babae, edi sana sinabi niya dito, oo nga, o sige, okay na yan. Hindi, kaya niya hindi pinapayagan dito mga lalaking mga Pariseo na umaabuso sa diborsyo ang naglalabi nito. Pinoprotektahan ni Kristo ang...
Why is divorce better than annulment? Annulment is ranging about 150,000 to 300,000 pesos. In a divorce, it costs 250,000 to 400,000 pesos, depending the personality. In a divorce also, the court recognizes your marriage as legal. A judge will need to divide a marital property and debts. A judge will not divide property in an annulment because you were not legally married, so there is no marital property and debt to be divided. Still in the Family Code of the Philippines, Article 87, every donation or grant of gratuitous advantage, direct or indirect, between the spouses during the marriage shall be void except moderate gifts which the spouses may give each other on the occasion of any family rejoicing. And these are the following steps in getting judicial recognition of divorce. 1. Of course, determine if you are qualified to file a divorce. 2. Choose an attorney. Yung dekalibre kung pwede. Kahit na mahal, kasi ang divorce pang mayaman. 3. Gather the required documents. Number 4. File the petition in court. 5. You must testify also in the court. And 6. Wait for the decision of the court. And lastly, wait for the finality of the decision. Ayon sa aking bubuhit, walang nang api kung walang nagpapaapi. Bawal ang nga. Maraming salamat po. Agyamanak, agyusak onay tagngina. Bye-bye!